Hello everyone, my name is Manisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna take you all on a day in my life as a literature student with a 10 hours productive study routine. So I have freshened up and taken a shower, starting my day off with breakfast and then having Chyawanprash cause it's winter and I'm suffering from cold. Then of course going to read Bhagavad Gita and now listen to me talking to you all about something really important that's happening in my life.
Hello everyone, good morning. Hello everyone, good morning to all. So by the title you of course would have known that I'm going to study for 10 hours today. So this is going to be a day in my life kind of a video, but it would be more studious and more productive, I guess. So I have planned to read for 8 hours, but I will think if I can make up to 10 hours. 10 hours is a big thing because I generally read 6 hours a day. So now I'm preparing for certain exams, so I feel that I should read more and study more and give more time to my study and focus more on my studies. Of course, I'm going to read Bhagavad Gita, 1 or 2 pages for around half an hour, and then I will start studying for real. So why Bhagavad Gita? Of course, you have known from my other videos, previous videos, that it is for my mental peace. Right now, at this point of time, nothing is going as per my plans. Like nothing in my life is going as I have planned, and everything has changed a lot. One of my teacher said this to me once, that if your professional life is good and your personal life is getting a setback, then you can manage it, and vice versa. But if your professional and personal, both the lives are not like you are seeing a setback in both of them, then it is difficult to manage everything. So I depend on this piece of book. This book is everything for me right now. So before starting to study properly, I will read this book for a while, and then it will set me positive, because I'm trying my best to focus on the things I should, and for that my ma is helping me a lot. She's genuinely helping me a lot, and thank you so much for everything. And I keep telling you everything, what I'm doing and what I'm not, through the voiceover. So let's begin. Let's start to study.
So as I am not a morning person, I woke up at around 9 a.m. and did all the stuff, the morning course. My plan is to study 10 hours today, starting with reading Bhagavad Gita, of course, and annotating it also to gain the amount of required knowledge. And then proper study will start from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is what I have actually made a timetable about. We'll have lunch at 1 p.m., take rest, and then again start studying from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And then again we'll have a tea break, which is again a necessity. Soon we'll sit to study after 6 p.m. From 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. We'll have dinner at 9 p.m. and again sit to study from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. This is what I have planned my day like, and I will surely try to accomplish it the way I have planned it. Now after reading Bhagavad Gita for around half an hour and keeping the book aside and starting to study positively recharged, and will try to accomplish whatever I have planned, as I have already said this. So before starting to study properly, I have made a to-do list, which is a very important thing for every student, to make a proper to-do list, or to make a proper list to be accomplished every single day. You start to study, you need to know what are the things that you have to complete in that particular day before going to sleep at night. So this is what I am doing right now, and today's task of mine is the Victorian. So today what I have planned to complete is the Victorian poetry. The whole topic is really vast, so I will try my best to complete it, but I don't think so I will make it, but I'll try. Thus making my own notes by properly studying from Arihant UGC Net Paper 2 book. I'm mentioning the name of the book properly so that you will be able to buy it, or you will get access to all the things that is available in this book. And this book is Arihant UGC Net Paper 2 book is actually available in Amazon as well as in Flipkart. So, and mind you, I would like to say this is literally a very helpful book, and this is not a something like kind of a promotion, or I'm not trying to promote any particular book, but this is genuinely a helping book for English literature student. But at the same time, I'm trying to be very honest with you. The answer key of few MCQs, few multiple choice questions are wrong, so keep it in mind that you have to keep rechecking everything before writing down it in your. So now I set to study after having my lunch, which I forgot to film, and here I'm a bit sick today, so because I'm suffering from cold and a bad headache, that is why I'm feeling sleepy, and I took a rest, kind of nap for 5 minutes. So clearly mentioning this in this video that I am someone who reads maximum 6 hours per day, not more than that. So this 10 hours video is completely a different thing for me. Of course, I'm trying to read more and more. I'm trying to enhance the quality of my study as well as the time that I'm spending on my studies, as I'm preparing for UGC NET in English literature, which is pretty difficult if you're not hardworking. So I feel that I need to enhance it more and more, and I feel that I will gradually be able to do that, not all of a sudden. Well, I believe that we should not push ourselves to do something that we are unable to do, but at the same time we should do something that we can do. We must do that. Something I would like to say is, when we really want to give up and feel lazy and don't want to work, that is the exact time when we need to push ourselves to work harder on it. It will definitely boost up our motivation to another level. I also believe that sometimes it is better to enjoy the little things that happens in our day-to-day life rather than expecting or waiting for something really big to happen, and that includes this unexpected rain today. And after a while it started raining really hard, and I sat back to study in my room listening to the sounds of rain outside. I was somehow, to be very honest, really positive and was really motivated to study today. As you can see from my face, I was not feeling well at that point of time. I was really sick and I was coughing and I was feeling like a sick person. But then also, I don't know why, but it made me feel better to study more and more. This is what happens when you start your day in a positive note. When you start your day by studying properly, then you get the required amount of motivation to continue to study the whole day. And then I went out to take a break. The tea break time has came, that is around 5 p.m. and this is the small glimpse of our garden. And then I had chai at around 5 p.m. and gossiped for a while with my mother. I brought back that chai, the remaining chai cup, with me to the study table and I started studying at around 6 p.m. And this was my plan and everything was going according to the plan till now. 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. was the thing that I have planned. So this is where I am starting to study again from 6 p.m. So my papa brought me something to eat, that is this Punjabi tadka, which actually genuinely brought a smile on my face, that you can see, of course. So here you can see I'm struggling to open the packet as I'm unable to do that. So this is that frustrating face I have, and then again I'm happy to have it. And then I started to study while eating something from the packet and with a more amount of enthusiasm. So I studied for around 9:30 p.m. and then had my dinner, and after that I came to this room. This is my bedroom. This is where I and my mother sleep. There I shifted to this room and I was studying here because we locked that room and we sleep here. So this is now the position where I have kept the table on the bed and I'm studying there. Now you can clearly see, and this is clearly visible, that I'm really tired, and as it is cold outside and the winter season is going on, I'm also having the shawl on me and trying to study, trying to be very productive. But eventually I made it and I read up to 12:45 or 12:50 p.m. at night, which is a good thing for me. For beginning, this is a great thing. So now it was 12:30 already and I thought of reading or studying for a bit more time and then we'll go to sleep because my neck was paining and I was really tired. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.